fucking third gear, it's like, you know, left and right. My tail is breaking out. Run. All right, man. We're gonna go on a test ride with his Warrior back in the house. Alright, let me get mine fucking fired up. It's not the best weather. The bike is shining, but it still needs to clean up, you know? It's never clean enough, right? Look at that. He's happy. Oh shit, of course, kickstand. Alright, man. He's already rolling. Or is he? There he is. 2 Warriors on the road, man. South Florida. Hell yeah. That's the guy who actually laid down his bike, so he's still waiting for his gas tank. You got your glasses? Yeah. I'm gonna go for a little test ride. I want to hear his pipes, man. Oh yeah! Weather sucks, but doesn't matter. Let's go to Lions, and then we will make a U-turn and come back. Oh yeah. Come on, bro. Hit it, man. Hit it. I'm gonna let him right in front of me a little. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yamaha Roadstar Warrior crew, man. So his bike is basically stock, but it's got the bump joggers. Still have the stock air box. You know, he did the rear fender cleanup and stuff like that. Just put in new spark plugs, and he had to lay the bike down when somebody pulled up in front of him. And so we got it back together. He's still waiting for his gas tank. He's actually the guy who donated the Warrior with the frame and the engine to Ricky Graffeo, so he can make the Graffeo exhaust. And yeah, only thing he took off was the gas tank, you know. Yeah. Sweet. And it's getting dry slowly. Oh. See how my idle just ran up? I gotta correct that. Let's pull right in there, bro, and then I'm gonna correct my idle. Woo! That's way too high. I was playing with the TPS sensor yesterday a little. And now that the engine is heated up, I'm a little over here. Huh? Okay.
I feel like this arm's out here and this one's closer in.
Yeah, we just put new grips on. He's got the exact same grips that I have, only his are black and chrome, mine are black and black. Right. And now we just put the new mirrors on, the grips, and the handlebars. So he says that he's got to adjust his left side a little, you know, bring it more in, because he's sitting not straight. Sweet. Yeah. I don't know, man. I mean, if you guys want to buy that gas tank from him, then alright, let me adjust my idle here real quick. Oh yeah, that needs adjustments right there. Huh?
I just got to bring this side in. Just
Yeah. All right. Let's do that here real quick.
Oh, it feels good, man.
Feels good? Oh. Yeah. All right, that sounds better. All right. That's a brand new plaza over here. Where is he? There he is. See how his tank is all damaged up over there? I mean, if you want to buy it, it's still, you know, it still works, but I don't know if this can be fixed or not. But he already has a new one. He's just waiting until it comes back from the paint shop. Nice. Alright, let's make a U-turn here. And then we're gonna go back home. Oh, there's a bunch of cars coming. Where's my bro? Sweet. I'm happy for him, man. Come on, hit it. Hit it. shit, man. Look how far behind he is. Holy fuck. That wasn't a race, guys. Let's make a left here. A little mini ride in. Oh, there we go. Big guy, big guy, big guy. Yeah, it starts to rain again, man. Fucking 110 big book kid with that cam kit, man. It makes my back break out, bro. It's like sliding left and right. Yeah. Still that cute little tire in the back. Which is not that small, actually, you know? Like, fucking... I look at other bikes, they run 180s and shit. You got a nice 200 tire in the back. I think his one is even 210, I'm not sure though. Yeah, even in fucking third gear, it's like, you know, left and right, my tail is breaking out. Fucking sweet, I'm happy for him, man. 2 Warriors on the road, fucking best feeling ever. So much fucking torque in that bike, man. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh yeah, bike runs smooth, man. Well, he's got to get his car on. Alright guys, was just a quick little ride. Thanks for watching. You know, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, comment below, doesn't matter. I mean, look at that. Let me just walk back to these bikes. Say what?
I said no freaking traction.
Bro, I got this brand new fucking rear tire on that, and when I hit it with the new 110 big book hit, it's still breaking out, man, like in third gear, you know, in that weather. Anyways guys, so hope you enjoyed the ride, and I see you guys in the next one. Ride safe. It's your boy GD Warrior, and don't forget, don't fucking die.